How to change your Discord password if you've forgotten your current password. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Discord password even if you've forgotten your current password. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Discord app, then click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Next, click on My Account. The fourth option down will be to change your password, so click on that one. But as you can see, you'll be asked to enter in your current password followed by a new password. But of course, we can't remember our current password, so you cannot change it here. So what you need to do is actually log out of Discord. So go back to your user settings, then tap on the button in the top right hand corner and then tap on log out. On this next screen, tap on login. And here you'll need to enter in either your email address or your phone number, depending on which one you registered your account with. And then next, you can click on Forgot Your Password at the bottom. Now this will now send you an email with a link to reset your current password. So click on the link in the email and follow the steps to create your new password. And that's all it takes to change your Discord password, even if you've forgotten your old password. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.